today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a Makecode Microbit rock, paper, scissors project. So the first thing you want to do is you want to search up Makecode Microbit in your browser. And then click on the first option. Make a new project and call it rock, paper, scissors. Now you want to go into input and drag an on shake block into your workspace. Delete the on start and forever blocks since we're not going to be using those. Now go into variables and make a new variable and call it choice. Drag a set choice block into your on shake block. Now make the program set the choice variable to a random number between 0 and 10. But we're going to change 0 and 10 to 1 and 3. Then go into logic and drag an if true then else block. Click the plus button and go back into logic and drag 2 comparison blocks. These will determine the value of the choice variable. Go into variables again and drag 1 choice block into the first comparison block to determine if choice equals 1. Then drag another choice block into the second comparison block to determine if choice equals 2. Now we're going to add the outputs, which is the LEDs. So we're going to add an LED in the first one. And this is going to be rock. So just make a quick icon of a rock. And then the second one is paper. So just make an icon of paper. And then the third and final one is scissors. And since it's the only one other than 1 and 2, we're not going to put anything over here. So we're going to put an icon of scissors. And I'm going to explain what the code does. So basically, when you shake the microbit, which is when the program starts, it sets the choice variable to a random number between 1 and 3. And then it determines if the value of choice. So if choice equals 1, then it's going to show an icon of a rock. If it equals 2, it's going to show an icon of paper. And if choice equals 3, then it's going to show an icon of scissors. Now we're ready to test our program. So we're going to test it in the simulator on the left side of your workspace. To test it, we're going to click the shake button. So as you can see, I already explained the code. So when you press shake, it's going to pick a random number between 1 and 3. And that's going to determine if it's rock, paper, or scissors. And then, so when you press shake, as you can see, it picks a random one. And it lets you know which one it is by using the LEDs as outputs. So yeah, that's how you make a simple but fun Makecode Microbit rock, paper, scissors project. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you guys in the next one. Bye.